Hello ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to wickedcrypto. Today I'm broadcasting from Mount Rushmore. I'm still in South Dakota right now. So today I'm going to talk about Bitcoin miner capitulation and also deleveraging. So with the Bitcoin halving already took place back in May, so the reward will be cut by it's already cut by 12.5 BTC to 6.25. So right now the cost of mining is even higher, and a lot of less efficient miners is going to shut down the machine because it's no longer profitable, and the less efficient machine, like the less efficient ASIC machine, is going to be less profitable. So that's why some of the miners is going to shut down, and this is basically purging some of the less efficient miners from the system, and of course a lot of miners, big miners, they want to capitulate all these smaller miners, because right now the competition for mining is almost double, right? And the cost of mining, they have to sell the Bitcoin to cover the operating costs, to cover for the electricity and the operation. So that's why. So right now it's like treading water. As long as it doesn't go past 10,500, we are not getting anywhere at all. So the next thing I want to talk about is deleveraging. So with the easy money policy for the last decade, so right now we have huge corporate debt and as well as the household debt. And also with the lockdown right now, a lot of people lost their jobs, and 20%, right now we have a 20% unemployment. And so right now we have forbearance, right? Forbearance is not to say you don't pay. You have 6 months forbearance. Just like when you have, if you live in Florida, you have hurricane, and then you have probably 3 months of forbearance. But after 3 months or 6 months, you have to pay. You still have to pay. And if the job is already lost, how can you make the payment, right? So that would be 6 months forbearance, and then they can renew another 6 months. So I don't know how this is going to be sustainable at all, right? So with this, also with the inverted yield curve already inverted, I think in 2019 August is already inverted. So based on historical data, it will take 2 years. It will be taking 2 years, because last time the financial crisis in 2008, the curve was inverted into 2015, and so the curve was inverted in 2015, and the 2000, and actually it's inverted in 2005, and it is not collapsed until 2008, the financial crisis. So this time around is 2015 is inverted, 2019 is inverted, so it will take around 2 years. So this timeline, it will be probably next year, 2021, because we have a presidential election cycle coming up, 2020, right? So usually the presidential cycle, the market is going to go up anyway. So this is based on historical data, and let's look at this. So this is pretty cool. Let me go up there. Hold on. It's kind of difficult because I am. So right now is Mount Rushmore. This is pretty cool, right? So this is the area. So right now it's in lockdown, so we don't have to pay any parking fee at this time. So, and I think they closed down some of the session as well. So and let me know what you think about this Mount Rushmore. It's pretty cool, isn't it, right? So it's better to go early in the morning, I guess. There's not that many people. Otherwise it would be really crowded, right? So, and of course with the deleveraging, with the easy money policy, right now we are still we have a lot of huge corporate debt, and they're buying back their own stock actually. So that's why it pumped up the price of the stock market. Unfortunately, this is how the easy money policy what we have for the last decades, and also going to the real estate market as well. And then with the forbearance for 6 months, and another 6 months, it will be 12 more months, right? So there will be probably a lot of foreclosure coming up, right? But I hope it's not going to happen, but you never know. It looks like it doesn't look good at all. Sorry.
You're fine.
Yeah. So let me know what you think about all this fiasco, right? With the upcoming, probably the next financial crisis is even worse than 2008. So I'm going to the other side. So right now they're under construction this time right now. So I wish we can walk closer to the Rushmore, right? So I wish we can walk closer up. Right now it's still under construction in this area. It used to be we can go up there. So let me go up there here, and oops, just bear with me guys. So I'm going back up here to get a better view, because I'm holding this thing. It's kind of difficult to maneuver. So oops, some of this stuff in here. Sorry.
Oh, you're good. Go ahead.
Okay, sorry. So right now I'm coming up here, back here right now, and this is right now at this time this is the best view you can do at this time. You know, it's kind of because the other part is still under construction right now. So let me know what you think about the easy money policy for the last decade, and things is not like normal anymore. And then with the lockdown and everything, I think maybe the elite want to bring down the economy just using the excuse as a lockdown, because for the past 10 years we have been the housing market and also the stock market has been booming like crazy, right? So right now we are probably coming to the grand finale very soon, unfortunately. So just brace for impact. Not a financial advice, use your due diligence. I'm not your financial advisor at all. So here, let's see. So I'm going the other side. So this is look closer here too, but this is all you can. This is the closest place you can see, right? That's what you can do. So let me know what you think about all this fiasco coming up in the financial market. Unfortunately, things is going to get worse before we can see the tunnel of the light of the tunnel. So right now it's not too bad today. It's not that windy. I think last time it was pretty windy when I go up here. Let's just see. There's too many. Yeah, there's too many. So let me know what you think about all this. I would love to hear from you. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming videos that can be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. For my Patreon group member, I'm going to post some Bollinger Band technical analysis, some tips how you can look at Bollinger Band, when to sell and when to buy, stuff like that. I'll post it probably later today. And please comment below. I would love to hear from you. If you found this video interesting and beautiful, please smash the like button and subscribe. Okay. Remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not your financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, commodity, and stock market can have inherent risk. Business of due diligence.